8 common symptoms of bad spark plugs, with damaging effects of some. The oxygen O2 sensor measures the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gas and sends the information to the engine control module ECM. The ECM then adjusts the fuel injection accordingly. Bad spark plugs can cause incomplete combustion, leading to an imbalance in the fuel-air mixture and inaccurate readings from the O2 sensor. This can cause the ECM to adjust the fuel injection incorrectly, leading to decreased fuel efficiency and increased emissions. Second, damage to the catalytic converter. Incomplete combustion caused by bad spark plugs leads to unburned fuel reaching the exhaust system and the catalytic converter. This fuel often ignites inside the catalytic converter, causing it to overheat and clog over time. Third, poor fuel economy. If you notice that your vehicle's fuel economy has dropped, it could be a sign of a bad spark plugs. When spark plugs fail, they cause incomplete combustion, which is a waste of fuel. Fourth, damage to the engine. Bad spark plugs cause incomplete combustion. This incomplete combustion can produce carbon deposits on the spark plugs, valves, piston tops, and other internal engine components. Over time, these carbon deposits can build up, leading to a variety of issues, including increased cylinder compression, which can ignite the air-fuel mixture spontaneously, causing knocking and damage to engine over time. Fifth, starting problems. If you're experiencing difficulties starting your vehicle, it could be due to bad spark plugs. Faulty spark plugs leads to reduced spark power, which can make it hard for the engine to start. Sixth, lack of power. Bad spark plugs can cause a noticeable lack of power. You may notice that your vehicle struggles to pick up speed and is slow to respond when you press the gas pedal. Seventh, engine misfire and rough idling. Eighth, failed emissions test due to incomplete mixture combustion and inaccurate O2 sensor reading.